Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Linux Mint. First, we'll cover the installation process, ensuring a smooth setup on your system. Then, we'll dive into the Cinnamon desktop, exploring its intuitive layout and customization options. You'll quickly grasp essential navigation techniques and efficient file management, making your initial experience with Linux Mint both easy and enjoyable. Let's get started with the basics. Now that you're familiar with the basics, let's explore the vast world of software available in Linux Mint. The Software Manager makes finding and installing new applications incredibly simple. We'll also look at how to personalize your desktop with various themes, applets, and desklets to match your style. Finally, we'll touch upon managing system settings to ensure your Linux Mint experience is tailored for optimal performance and comfort. It's all about making it yours. While Linux Mint is very user-friendly, understanding a few basic terminal commands can significantly boost your productivity. We'll cover some essential commands that simplify tasks and offer more control. Keeping your system updated is crucial for security and performance, so we'll review the Update Manager. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of regular backups and how to use built-in tools to protect your valuable data. Stay secure and efficient. Even with a stable system like Linux Mint, you might encounter occasional issues. We'll guide you on where to find solutions to common problems and how to effectively troubleshoot. The Linux Mint community is a fantastic resource, offering help and advice whenever you need it. Remember to check the description for links to helpful resources and other great deals, including that Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. With these tips, you'll be well equipped to handle anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.